how to get your Facebook marketplace back. So for that, you'll have to go to the support section or the support inbox wherever you find in Facebook. So here you will have to check whether you have really got restricted or check if Facebook removed your marketplace. So you can simply go to the support inbox where you might find that there might be messages from Facebook that regards you, and that regards that your marketplace has been blocked due to some kind of violation. So if that's not the case, try reinstalling the app, try updating the app. You can simply go ahead to the settings, and then you can simply go to general iPhone storage in case of Android. So you can simply in case of Android, you can simply go ahead and clear the cache, and in iPhone you can simply go to Facebook. You can offload the app and delete the app in case as well. So you can simply update and reinstall the app. That might fix the issues. Also try switching to browser login from browser. Also turn off the VPN if that's on, so cause VPN restricts some of the access. So if that's not the case, then what you can do is you can update your meta as well. After that, you can simply go ahead and then submit an appeal to in your account quality marketplace restriction. And then in the appeal, what you can write is, hello, I believe my access to marketplace was restricted by mistake. I have reviewed the commerce and community standard policies. Please manually review my account and restore my marketplace access. Thank you. So that would be a respectful tone how you can get your marketplace back. Also secure your account. Make sure you have changed your password, enable two-factor authentication, and then maintain the security and login. Also complete your profile, add profile picture and cover photo, verify your phone and email, add info in about section as well. Also delete all restricted flagged listings, and then also delete the ones that are violating the community standard. So also you can wait if it is temporary block, it might get fixed by time over time. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.